In order to maintain such longevity of machine, a basic build procedure has not changed from the beginning. We procure first-class components and manufacturing precision parts, and then carefully assemble with great care in necessary adjustments at each stage. Because machine itself never lies, no great cares make machines aging faster. For example, we hand scrape necessary surfaces of parts in order to maintain required alignments. Parts that should be installed straight are to be done as straight as possible, and that should be perpendicular are as perpendicular as possible to achieve the best accuracy results with the least stress condition possible in assembled machines. Thanks to all of detailed attention to parts accuracy and careful handcrafted assembly with craftsmanship, Matsuura machines have great reliability and longevity.